Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to create a post on Thinkific. To create a post on Thinkific, first of all, open up your Thinkific application or log into Thinkific account on your web browser. Once you're logged into your account, from the home page, click on the Community button at the bottom of the screen. Now, click on the Post button at the bottom right in order to create a new post. Under Post in Space, select whether you'd like to post announcements, introductions, questions, or general posts. After you do that, write down the title of your post on the next field. Add more details about your post at the bottom of the screen. If you want to add media, such as images, videos, or other attachments, tap on the Add Media button at the bottom and select your media, which can be an image, a file, or video URL. After you select your media as well, click on Publish Post. Right after you do that, you will be able to create a post on Thinkific. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.